Did you know installing sprinkler heads directly on top of the pipe with a little toe nipple is a thing of the past? That's because we use swing joints now. Let me show you why and what I'm talking about. This right here is a head installed on top of the pipe with a nipple. This isn't a toe nipple, this is more of a, we'll say 3-inch nipple. And the head is sticking way out of the ground. So, what will we need to fix that problem? Well, we're gonna need some swing pipe, some new heads, and some swing pipe elbows along with a few nozzles. And of course, a shovel to dig it all up. We'll start by carefully removing the sod so that we can put it back when we're finished. Then we'll scrape away the dirt to access the head. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the sprinkler head we're gonna install. I'm gonna throw on the swing pipe 90. And then in this area, we're gonna use a 10-foot half nozzle. So we're gonna go ahead and select the 10-foot half Hunter Pro Spray nozzle, which is red. Has those two little marks on it to show you that's a half circle. Very important, make sure you're always installing a screen in every single spray head. That's very important. All right. And then we'll proceed with removing the old sprinkler parts. So we'll remove the old spray head and the old nipple. So that we can screw on our swing pipe elbow. Our swing pipe. And you want to make sure when you're installing this that you get it all the way over the last barb. At least. You can keep going another ½ an inch here to make sure. And then about 6 inches away, give it a cut. Install your spray head with the same practice. Make sure that the barbs disappear into the swing pipe. And in my case here, I have a big rock on this side that's probably not going to move. You also don't want a whole lot of rocks underneath the sprinkler head because then that can cause issues with the bottom 90. And we want to make sure our head is nice and straight and tight. And then we want to point our nozzle in the right direction. So we'll go ahead and pull this up, turn it around so it's pointing in the correct direction. And then all we have to do is backfill our head. Here's a pro tip for you. Use the same cutters that you cut the swing pipe with to pack in the head. Good to go.